up. Clap it up. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Clap it up. I can't hear nothing. Let's go. Come on. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Before Coach London wraps it up, we've got an announcement real quick. Something we came up with. It's always fun to come out here and turn up. We want to motivate it a little bit. Because y'all see, every time y'all go in there, you see the pictures on the wall about the result. People who've been getting that result. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever the case may be. Well, now, this is the first camp. Start looking at it. So, from this camp until every single month, there's going to be a fit camper of the month. Hit camp of the month.
MVP.
Who goes the hardest? The MVP and the most improved. Both of them get a prize. But the MVP of every month is getting on the wall with that picture.
Oh, yeah.
Motivation, recognition.
Oh, yeah.
So let's turn it up, though. Let's work.
Individually, you guys know who you are, but I saw some people today that really made me proud. Some people the first camp that was really walking, and this time they were doing extra and doing more than the already people who have been here forever. So I just want to clap it up for them.
Let's go. Clap it up. Where'd she go? Oh, and we also want to recognize first-time hit campers, both of them. It's awesome.
I actually heard, I was jogging down the street and I heard y'all, so I was like, what is that?
Oh, really?
So, yeah, I'm glad y'all were out here.
Yeah. That's awesome. Nice. All right, so announcement though, before I forget. So everybody knows, bro, for those that have never been here before, every Monday and Wednesday, 7:30, same place, same time. Rain or shine, we always out here, all right? So if it's raining, we inside, we in the hot box. Getting our sweat on, all right? The hot box, yeah, that's right. First, nod their head. All right, so it's every Monday and Wednesday at 7:30, and then Saturdays at 10. However, this Saturday, I want everybody to pay attention. This Saturday, we're gonna be at 9. And the reason for that is because Herbalife, company we work for, is trying to get in the Guinness Book of World Record for the most amount of participants in a single workout over a 24-hour span. Okay, so all over the globe, all 91 countries that we're in, people are going to be working out together at the same time, 9 a.m. All right? So I say that to say, I want all of you guys here. If you can be here, please be here.
Who's coming at 9 on Saturday?
It's a big deal. All right? So now, and with that, now I don't want to just say you be here. All right? I know everybody here knows somebody that needs to get in shape. Even if they think they're in shape, they can get in better shape. They can come out here. We may do things that are different that they might not do at home. All right? So I challenge everybody to bring one person on Saturday. Just one. What happens if we bring one person? We double what we have here tonight. All right? So I want to have 50 people here if we can do it. I'm not going to say if we can do it. I want 50 people here on Saturday. All right? We're going to have it high intensity. It's going to be hype. We're going to be here. We're going to be sweating. And like I said, we're going to be a part of history. So I don't know how many people can say they're a part of history and part of the Book of World Records, but you have the chance to do that this Saturday.
Guinness Book of World Records just for getting these Legos?
Let's go. Lego land. All right?
Okay, let's bring it in.
Hold on.
Saturday, she wearing Herbalife shirts, right?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. And also, if you don't have, so everybody here is not Herbalife. If you don't have Herbalife, just try to wear. If you got something green, just wear something green. All right, that's the only stipulation. All right, and other than that, everything is the same. Everything else is the same. So, with that said, though, 9 a.m. So I want everybody, because I know sometimes we trickle in a little late. I need everybody here like 10 minutes before. So at 9, we are ready to go. All right. So for today, as far as today goes, like they said, congratulations. Everybody gave 110% effort. I know it was tough again today. But I like these workouts because you can kind of do it at your own pace. You don't have to necessarily do everything the same. An athlete can come here that's in great shape and still get a great workout. Somebody who's out of shape, who hasn't worked out a day in their life, can come here and still get the whole workout in. So that's why we do it this way. So you work at your own pace. Like I always say, push yourself. It's all about yourself. Don't worry about what the person next to you is doing. All right? So with that said, again, great job. We're going to go inside. Now, for everybody, we're going to ask when we go inside, for everybody that wants a shake, it's a $5 shake and tea, all right? We just want to make sure we announce that, okay? So we go inside, we'll make the shake, we'll plan to get the buses going, all right? And again, I'll see you guys on Saturday at 9 a.m. And that's all I got. Anybody else got anything else to say? Not even just the coaches, anybody else?
Anybody want to say anything?
Everybody good?
I'm going to have these abs.
Woo!
What you talking about?
All right, let's go. Bring it in. All the way in. Let's go.
I just want to thank y'all for letting me come in and participate on the
Hey, no
Absolutely,
problem,
anytime.
All right, what we got, John?
What we got?
Get right Wednesday.
Get right. Terrell come up with them.
Right
Terrell, break it down.
Hey, on 3.
1, 2, 3. Get right Wednesday.
Let's go. Good job.
What we said?